Sorkar Jylla kalau pynkhreh banbu ya ki tharat pulit kenthai la ni ki women police station ha ki khalwei tali ki district ke Jylla Meghalaya. Ya kan la pentep dong menteri beri khmi ikhtanat kampo yeng Sorkar Jylla ba la kamen remboi haba juba hi kenta kali jingkali ke dorman mang tingka yeng tor arthawan. Na ka jingkali MLA ka maulai ba proses ti sau khme. Ulai thu ba ya ki tharat pulit kenthai la mang penterkam na do war ja khapsa. Halor ka district Kebakat ar haka Jylla ka East and West Khasi Hills. Ulang bai ka jingtarwa an terkam haki por banwan.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to start question 116. A, no, sir. B, C, D, and E, sir, does not arise in view at A above.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know from Honorable Minister in charge of Home Police, sir, what is the reason which make the department not interested to set up the women police station in the state, sir?
Sir, the women police station have been created in 11 districts of the state in the year 2018, sir.
So I didn't get his reply properly because I was asking about the women police station. He said already created. May I again, sir, that if you reply again so that I can understand better, sir.
On September 2018, the government of Meghalaya have sanctioned 11 women police stations in 11 districts of the state, which are all in place now. But for the 12th district of East and West Khasi Hills, the proposal will be done afterwards.
Sir, I'm very clear now. Minister, that means that the minister, in spite of he said that women police station is already set up in 11 districts set up, and the rest still left out because it is a newly district. So may I know from Honorable Minister whether that all women police station is functioning or not?
All women police station is functioning, sir.
So, may I know from Honorable Minister the strength of the staff in each police station in 11 districts in the state, sir?
The sanction strength of the women police station in the state is Inspector on Arm 1, Sub-Inspector on Arm Branch 2, Head Constable on Arm 3, Constable 6, Driver 1, and Group D.
Whether all police stations, whether that OC has been mandated by the women or by the men, sir? I'm talking about police station. When I'm talking about police station, because in every police station we have the officer in charge. Sir. My question to Honorable Minister, whether the in charge is a man or women, sir?
For this woman police station, the in charge is.
So if that will be, may I know the name of the officer in charge in the in East Castles? I mean, a police station here in Reserve Police we have in Reserve Police we have the police station. May I know the name of the officers who are in charge of the police station in Reserve that is women, sir?
I don't have the record with me. I require notice for the name, sir.
Sir, last, sir. Sir, may I know from the Honorable Minister when we expect that newly district will get its own women police station, sir?
Thank you very much for the question.
Sir, as I said, that we will propose in due course of time, sir.
We expect this year?
We will see, sir.
You'll examine properly, I hope. Yes, Pamela Bond, please.
So I would like to thank the government for creating women police station in all 11 districts except the newly created one, which soon will be gated, sir. And we have seen in the budget also, there has been considerable amount and marked for infrastructure within home police. I would like to know from the Honorable Minister, the women police station in Nongpo, being a district headquarters, it is still running from a temporary building. So I would like to get an assurance that proper building will be there so that the women police station they can function it properly.
So the point which mentioned by the honourable member is being noted, and we will see what is to be done, sir.
One more.
Last one, Honorable.
Yeah, with regards to the manpower, the strength of the personnel, we have heard. It seems very less because every district area is very large and considerable amount of crimes against women and children is happening. In Ribhoi district alone, around 86 cases has been registered just in the last 1 year. So I would like to appeal through you, sir, that the department will look into how to strengthen the personnel, to increase more personnel in days to come so that they can cater more to curb against the crime against women and children in the state.
Honourable Speaker, sir, may I know the total number of women inspectors in the state?
The total number of women inspectors in the state is 12, sir.
So we are grateful to the government of Meghalaya for the interest taken in the protection of women's rights across the state. These inspectors, sir, are also women, and sometimes they also require their own personal time, particularly maternity leave, which runs into 3, 4. Now the government is recommending 6 months for such leave for such inspectors.
Yeah.
So we can see clearly that likely 12 is insufficient. May I request the government, particularly the Honourable Home Minister, to attend to this, sir?
So besides this, to assist them, we have 92 sub-inspectors, sir. So as of now, we are sufficient, sir.
Honourable Speaker, sir, considering the number of cases of crime against women and children, so we see there's a need of converging the efforts of the Home Department along with the Social Welfare Department, because the victims, they run from pillar to post looking for psychological support and also for legal aid. So, sir, is there any effort, sir, to bring these efforts together so that at least the victims can have immediate access to the Social Welfare Department and its support services to ensure that the victims are supported in a proper manner, sir, and especially the families for legal aid, sir?
The government is providing help wherever it is needed, sir.